before we go anywhere, toda kusummarize ma-laws of indices acho atoda kushandisa. Ma-laws aya anoti kana tina a andika to the power x multiplying a to the power y, this is equal to a to the power x plus y. Saka a ino ish a
Okay.
the EA is the same number. It's called the base. And so if we have two powered numbers multiplying each other, and these numbers are the same, we have the same base. My powers acho ano egg. And so let me bring it home. Kana tina 10 to the power A multiplying 10 to the power B, this is equal to 10 to the power A plus B. Katarisa pano tichaona kuti na 10 na 10 same base. Ende zviri multiply. But ma 10 aya are raised to certain powers. What it just means is my powers aya, they are going to add each other. That is the rule, that is the law. Any questions there before we progress?
No, it's clear.
It's clear. In like manner, if we have a to the power x dividing a to the power y, and this is equal to a to the power x minus y. A to the power x dividing a to the power y is equal to a to the power x minus y. We have the same base, a, they are what? Dividing. So kuti the powers are going to subtract each other in this order. What is the order? Yekutanga ndinonyorwa kwekutanga x minus yechitu y. By now we should know kuti addition hainayo basa because of isomorphy, but subtraction ine basa kuti watanga nenamba ipi. 5 minus 2 na 2 minus 5 zvakasiyana, plus 2 plus 3 na 3 plus 2 zvakafanana. We are together there, didn't? Saka in translation, 10 to the power A dividing 10 to the power B inofanirwa equal to chi. I need your answer here. Inofanirwa equal to chi.
10 to the power A minus B.
Bravo. Into yatinoti bravo. Very good.
Okay.
Saka iyi ndo mutemo yacho iri true. Tikuda kuapply.